In his opinion, Justice Alito writes that issues like access to abortion are to be resolved like most important questions in our democracy by citizens trying to persuade one another and then voting. Essentially, because abortion is not referenced in the Constitution, it therefore is not protected by it either and should be sent back to the states for them to decide.
If the attempts to eradicate some of these rights happen, I think it will end up in the states.
9 News legal analyst Whitney Traylor says if that's the argument regarding abortion accessibility, it's possible other fundamental rights, only recently recognized, could be in a similar position. Think same-sex marriage.
If the court is moving in a more conservative direction, I think you'll see them overturning some of these cases and saying, these are issues for the states.
Traylor says right now it's hard to say if that will actually be the case, and he warns for everyone to pay close attention to what's happening and ultimately vote.
So it's important to have these state fights, fight in the legislature, fight for your governor, because these are where the issues may end up.
And continuing on the topic of how this could really impact life beyond just the specific issue, Traylor says his real concern is about that trickle-down effect that could actually be more immediate if Roe v. Wade is in fact overturned. So currently in some states, one of the rare exceptions for performing an abortion is if it is in fact a medical emergency, even in cases of rape and incest. He says, though, that could put doctors in a position to start second-guessing if they are making that right call because they're afraid they might end up in jail for performing an abortion, even under those emergency circumstances. He says in that case, patients could die and the doctor could still face trouble for medical malpractice for negligence. He says it could also put pressure on prosecutors to really go after these people, making our elections incredibly divisive, guys.
All right, Jordan, thank you.